Did you know a white-collar criminal became completely unrecognizable after moving to Alaska? Marcus had served 3 years for embezzling $2 million from his company. With his MBA worthless, no one would hire him back home in Chicago. Former friends crossed the street to avoid him. In a prison forum, he read about fresh starts in Sterling, Alaska through Crave Alaska Properties. 2 years later, his former cellmate visited his remote cabin. The man who answered the door had calloused hands and wore flannel instead of suits. He had built the entire porch himself and chopped firewood out back. His cellmate didn't recognize him at first. Hard work and isolation had completely transformed him. Alaska gave him something prison never could, a chance to rebuild from nothing.